US scientists have confirmed a major breakthrough has been made after more than half a century of research into nuclear fusion that could pave the way for abundant clean energy in the future. Some major hurdles still remain. For decades, scientists have therefore been chasing nuclear fusion as a holy grail of sustainable energy generation, but have fallen short of achieving it. However, a team from the Lawrence Livermore National Laboratory in California may have finally made a major leap to creating energy-giving stars inside reactors here on Earth. On Tuesday, researchers confirmed that they have overcome a major barrier, producing more energy from a fusion experiment than was put in. LLNL Director Dr. Kim Boodle said, "This is a historic achievement. Over the past 60 years, thousands of people have contributed to this endeavor, and it took real vision to get us here." The experiment involved bombarding a pencil eraser-sized pellet of fuel with 192 lasers, causing the pellet to then release more energy than the lasers blasted it with. LLNL's experiment surpassed the fusion threshold by delivering 2.05 megajoules of energy to the target, resulting in 3.15 megajoules of fusion energy output, demonstrating for the first time a most fundamental science basis for inertial fusion energy. LLNL's statement reads, "But this does not mean that the fusion power is within grasp." Dr. Aarti Prabhakar, the policy director at the White House Office of Science and Technology, said, "Last week, they shot a bunch of lasers at a pellet of fuel, and more energy was released from that fusion ignition than the energy of lasers going in." This is such a tremendous example of what perseverance really can achieve. The amount of energy they have generated in this experiment is tiny, just enough to boil a few kettles, but what it represents is huge. The promise of a fusion-powered future is one step closer, but there is still a long way to go before this becomes a reality. This experiment shows that the science works. Before the scientists can even think about scaling it up, it needs to be repeated, perfected, and the amount of energy it generates will have to be significantly boosted. Nuclear fusion is described as the holy grail of energy production. It is the process that powers the sun and other stars. It works by taking pairs of light atoms and forcing them together. This fusion then releases a lot of energy. It is the opposite of nuclear fission, where heavy atoms are split apart. Fission is the technology currently used in nuclear power stations, but the process also produces a lot of waste that continues to give out radiations for a very long time. It can be dangerous and must be stored safely.
Subscribe to One India channel and never miss an update.